Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. Now we are going to discuss about JSW Ispat special product. I recommended the stock around 26 level and it was reached somewhere around 68. It was traded up to around 68. Then there was a minor consolidation was happened. During that time what was happened? There was the company was announced notice of sale offer they have provided on 14th of June. From that day onwards it was started to fall. So currently it is trading, you can see here 42 level, and while we are coming to the trading you can see here around 42,000 shares are traded in BSE. And while we are coming to the NSE, you can see here that almost 4 lakhs 36,000 shares are taken delivery. So that means somebody is trying to grab the share little by little, because there was a huge sell order is placed. You can see here almost 5 crore shares are every day they are posting for sale at lower circuit, because that's the reason every day is hitting lower circuit. So we will see how much it can go down. So while we are coming to the offer for sale, you can see here the floor price was given 27 rupees. Usually the people, those who are having the high net worth, they require the stock. That means they are buying it for long time and they want to grab the entire shares. That means the huge volume they are going to buy. So that means they want at the discounted price. Both company as well as the investors, both are involved in this game. So they are the huge, why the retail investors usually they will not buy such a massive quantity. That's the reason they are posting such a massive quantity as a sell order at the lower circuit, because they knows that that much of massive quantity cannot be taken by the entire investors. That's the reason they are posting that much of quantity. So what we have to do is we have to start scratching it. That means we have to take little by little in our portfolio. So here what will happen, they will bring the share maybe another maximum up to 3 or 4 lower circuit will happen from here. I expect currently it is trading around 42 and the floor price is 27. They will bring somewhere around 33 level and they will grab the entire share. That means either the high net worth individual or the operator, anyone will grab the entire share and they will shoot the rally from there, because surely they knows that everyone knows about company potential, including me and you knows that, because only because of the offer for sale, and they have utilized the opportunity to grab the share. That means they are trying to utilize, they are trying to confuse the retailers and they are trying to grab the entire share. They will not bring up to the 27 floor price, because they knows that some operators they will grab the entire share and they will not get anything. So that's the reason they will bring somewhere around 33 level, 33 to 35 level we can expect. From there they will grab the entire share. So no need to worry in JSW Ispat. You can start averaging the share from coming days, because otherwise you will not get such an opportunity, because the JSW Ispat is having that much of potential. And as I told you, the target of 125 plus is very easy to achieve. And always keep in mind that only few retailers like me is having the stock around the 26 average. All the remaining retailers having the average of around 45 to 60 level. So no need to worry about that, because the any consolidation will happen on that level only. Above 45 only the consolidation will happen. So no need to worry about that. Even if the operators grab the entire share, no need to worry, because from there the rally will shoot up around 30% will go high. And after that any consolidation will happen, that will be happen in between 45 to 50 range only. The consolidation will happen, and after that the rally will be continued to our target of 125 that we can expect before the next quarter result. Don't need to worry about JSW Ispat current lower circuit and all those things. That will not affect to any retailers, or you will be in profit on coming days. So this is the time, this is an opportunity to grab the share, this is the opportunity to add the share, this is the opportunity to average your cost. So thank you very much. So kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also multi-bagger tips. Thank you.